Now, we've heard from several viewers that the tornado sirens were not sounding or that they came on too late. The siren system, by the way, is not controlled by the National Weather Service.
It is something the city deployed, so why the delay? WHAS 11's Alexis Jones took the concerns straight to the mayor today and has an answer from the 911 dispatch center.
The dispatchers here at the 911 center were some of the first to hear about the damages caused by yesterday's tornadoes from residents who say they were caught off guard. A sound people look out for when a tornado is approaching. But for many living in the metro, there was no outside warning Wednesday.
Literally, there was no sirens, there was nothing.
Jordan Collins says she was at the playground with her daughter when an EF1 tornado ripped through Brooklawn Drive. Thankfully, they were able to take cover, but Collins wishes she and her neighbors had more time to prepare.
Just bombarded with whatever this was. And then by the time I came back out, everything was literally, it was gone.
After the fire and police had already gotten here, that's when the sirens started going off.
Mayor Craig Greenberg acknowledges the delay. However, he says the Emergency Response Center turned on the sirens once they got a notice from the National Weather Service, which is protocol.
So within 30 seconds of receiving that tornado warning, our sirens went off.
Greenberg assures all of the sirens were heard except for one in St. Matthews. He says crews would fix it soon, but adds the sirens are only to alert people who are outside. In Louisville, Alexis Jones, WHS 11 on your side.
Emergency officials say the tornado sirens are meant to warn people who are outside, not inside. They are not the best way to get alerts, as we just said, and when you're inside your home. That would be Lens Alerts, which you can sign up by texting Lens Alert to 67283.